Welcome to my channel where we'll be exploring all things fitness. Yoga and meditation have been practiced for thousands of years and are known to have numerous benefits for our physical, mental, and emotional well-being. Here are some ways in which yoga and meditation can help us. Reduces stress and anxiety. Yoga and meditation practices help to calm our mind and reduce stress and anxiety. They promote relaxation and reduce the levels of stress hormones in our body. Improves flexibility and strength. Yoga involves various postures that stretch and strengthen our muscles, making our body more flexible and strong. Enhances focus and concentration. Meditation is a practice of focusing our attention on a particular object or activity. It helps to improve our concentration and mental clarity. Boosts immune system. Studies have shown that regular yoga and meditation practices boost our immune system, making us less susceptible to illnesses. Improves cardiovascular health. Yoga and meditation practices improve our cardiovascular health by reducing blood pressure, lowering heart rate, and improving circulation. Promotes better sleep. Regular yoga and meditation practices have been shown to promote better sleep by reducing stress and calming our mind. Increases self-awareness and mindfulness. Yoga and meditation practices help us to become more aware of our thoughts, emotions, and physical sensations. They also help us to develop mindfulness, which is the ability to be present in the moment without judgment. Overall, yoga and meditation practices can help us lead a more balanced and healthy life by improving our physical, mental, and emotional well-being. If you are new to yoga, it's important to start slowly and choose poses that are suitable for beginners. Here are some tips for getting started with yoga. Find a good teacher or beginner-friendly videos. It's important to learn proper form and alignment to avoid injury. Find a good teacher or beginner-friendly videos to guide you through the poses. Start with basic poses. Start with basic poses such as mountain pose, downward facing dog, child's pose, and warrior. These poses will help you build strength, flexibility, and balance. Practice regularly. Practicing yoga regularly, even for a few minutes each day, is better than practicing for long periods infrequently. Listen to your body. Pay attention to your body and don't push yourself too hard. If a pose feels uncomfortable, back off or modify the pose. Use props. Props such as blocks, straps, and blankets can help you modify poses and make them more accessible. Breathe deeply. Breathing deeply is an important part of yoga. Focus on breathing deeply and slowly through your nose, filling your lungs and belly with air. Be patient. Yoga is a practice that takes time and patience. Don't expect to master all the poses right away. Remember, yoga is not a competition, it's a practice of self-care and self-discovery. Enjoy the process and be kind to yourself. If you are new to meditation, it can be helpful to start with some basic techniques to help you ease into the practice. Here are some tips for getting started with meditation. Find a quiet place. Find a quiet place where you can sit or lie down without interruption. This could be a room in your home or a quiet outdoor space. Choose a comfortable position. Choose a comfortable position that you can maintain for several minutes, such as sitting cross-legged on the floor, sitting on a chair with your feet on the ground, or lying down. Focus on your breath. Focus your attention on your breath, feeling the sensation of air moving in and out of your body. If your mind wanders, gently bring your attention back to your breath. Start with short sessions. Start with short meditation sessions, such as 5 or 10 minutes, and gradually increase the time as you become more comfortable with the practice. Use guided meditations. Guided meditations can be helpful for beginners because they provide instruction and guidance throughout the practice. There are many free guided meditations available online or through meditation apps. Be patient. Meditation is a practice that takes time and patience. Don't expect to have a completely quiet mind right away. Remember that the goal is not to eliminate thoughts, but rather to observe them without judgment. Practice regularly. Practice meditation regularly, even if it's just for a few minutes each day. Consistency is key to building a meditation practice. Remember that meditation is a personal practice, so it's important to find what works best for you. Be patient and kind to yourself as you explore different techniques and find what resonates with you. In conclusion, I hope that this channel has provided you with useful information and inspiration to help you achieve your fitness goals. Remember, fitness is not just about physical health, it's about taking care of your mind and body, and finding joy and fulfillment in the process. So, keep moving, keep challenging yourself, and most importantly, have fun along the way. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.